everyone, I'm Vidita. Hi Pavan, it's great to have you here today.
Thanks, Vidita. Always a pleasure to talk with you.
Pavan, could you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Sure. My name is Pavan Verma. I'm the co-founder and CTO at business solutions startup called Orgzit.
Could you tell us a little bit about Orgzit?
Yes. So, Vidita, even in today's day and age, most small and mid-sized businesses do their work on pen and paper or Excel-based processes. And not only does this make them very inefficient, but more importantly, it makes their work prone to errors and sometimes even deliberate fraud. So our mission at Orgzit is to help small and mid-sized businesses replace pen and paper and Excel-based working with a centralized digital business platform, Orgzit. And in doing so, they get the benefits from business softwares that large enterprises have enjoyed using tools such as SAP and Salesforce.
But most small and mid-sized businesses cannot afford SAP and Salesforce.
Exactly right, they cannot. So that's where our award-winning no-code software platform Orgzit comes in. And in Orgzit, it's possible to create business solutions in a matter of a few hours. And compare that to a few months that it takes to create business solutions on SAP and Salesforce. Not only that, Orgzit comes pre-built with a library of 50 plus business solutions that any business can start using it immediately. And all this really makes Orgzit very cost effective and affordable for any SME.
What kind of customers do you serve?
So Vidita, Orgzit can help any SME that wants to transform their business and upgrade from pen and paper or Excel-based processes to a centralized digital solution. That said, today most of our customers come from three industries. One, manufacturing industry. Second is AEC or architecture, engineering, construction companies. And the third one is BPO industry.
Pavan, can you tell us about some customers from the manufacturing industry?
Yes. So a couple of customers that we have been serving from the manufacturing industry for over a year now are Beth Lifestyle and Bichona Industries. So Beth Lifestyle is a leading modern age modular furniture manufacturer based in South India. And Beth uses Orgzit to run their entire franchisee network. This consists of 50 plus exclusive Beth franchisee stores that use Orgzit for lead tracking, order punching, and invoicing. Bichona Industries is a 30 plus year old leading manufacturer of mattresses based in North India. And Bichona uses Orgzit to get orders from their dealers and then track the complete order fulfillment cycle, including invoicing and delivery tracking.
What about AEC customers?
So some of the AEC customers we are serving includes Vapsys. Vapsys is a 25-year-old leading water solutions company with a pan-India business. They are headquartered in Gurgaon with an additional 4 regional offices across India. And Vapsys uses the Orgzit ERP to manage their complete operations across their 3 business verticals, which are EPC, operation and maintenance, and trading.
Can you tell us about your BPOs customers?
Sure. So we are working with the merchant support BPO of the #1 e-commerce company in India. And our client uses Orgzit for a variety of merchant support related processes, including merchant onboarding, merchant compliance checks, and merchant performance improvement and performance tracking.
Thanks, Pavan, for letting us know about what Orgzit does. I'm sure it's going to help a lot of businesses out there.
Thanks, Vidita.
This video is brought to you by Orgzit. Now you can get the same benefits that large enterprises enjoy with tools such as SAP and Salesforce, but at a cost you can afford.